What's going on, Craftinistas? So I am looking at this OLL paper pad, and I got to started thinking. I've been doing a lot of thinking lately, and I decided, you know what, I'm not going to wait till the first of the year. I'm just going to go ahead and make my little dream or vision board right now, because just like anything, why wait until Monday to start that diet or do whatever? You need to start today. So I was looking through the paper pad, and I love this print here. I thought it'd be a good background print. I just wish it was on the longitude side instead of the portrait side here, so I could turn it the other way. But I'm just going to wiggle this out of the paper pad and use it. It's the perfect size. I just had to trim off a little bit here, so I'm just sizing it up. I'm using very thin backing board, kind of like the cereal box, a little bit weight. So just taking some of that glitter glue and gluing that on there. I'm just a little lazy to get my score tape, but that is a heavy glue, and so it sticks real good fast. So I'm just going to put that on there. All I need to do is trim off a little bit, but it fit perfectly, of course, at 8.5 by 11. So I just love that background. It's just busy enough for what I need for this project. I recently picked up this trim from Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to use that instead of doing like a ribbon that you would normally see on a vision board. I decided to use that trim. I thought it would be neat to do. So I'm just kind of sizing it up here. I don't want it particularly straight and even. I want it kind of cocked to the side a little bit. So I am going to just measure out here, and that's what I did. Just tape down the sides to try to figure out where I wanted it to go. I have this gold brads here. I thought the gold was just two different colors, so I didn't use it. I just end up using trusty rhinestones. I had my glue gun out, so I just glued those on. Then I just took up the tape that I had glued down, and I'm just going to go ahead and press that back on the backing of this board, and now I have my setup ready. I wanted to be neat about the back of it, not having it look raw, so I took another sheet of that paper from that paper pad and put it on the back. That way you wouldn't see the rest of that trim. And I love how this turned out. I think it is a neat, simple idea, and it's good to go ahead and think about those dreams and goals. A lot of times as women, we take care of everybody else, but what about us? What about the things that we want in life? And this is just a little bit of the things that I wanted to share. The things you're passionate about are not random, they are your calling, and I truly believe that. I pulled this out of that Prima box that I had of little sayings, and I want to show it here where I just did some gold rubbing around the trim. This Lady Boss stamp came from also that old LL collection. Custom craft room in a bright home. A lot of you know I am a military wife. My subscribers there, and a lot of the homes I've been in are so dark. I just want a bright room. That's a goal of mine. A bright house with windows, lose weight, that's self-explanatory. A 5K run. Recently did an update on my health, and I've always wanted to run a marathon. That is just not in the cards, so I've bumped that down to 5K. And work for a major company store in the industry that I love. I went back and forth with that, but it is what it is. We can all dream big, and I serve a God that can do anything. So I think that I can achieve that one day with His help. So I would love to go to Creativation and work in this industry. So thanks for listening, and see you later, Crafty Nista.